In order to turn on your microphone in your SABA session, in the upper left corner, you would click on your muted button to turn it on. Before you turn it on, you're first going to want to make sure that your audio settings are correct. So using this drop down here, we are going to determine whether we're using the correct speakers and the correct microphone. There are also slider bars here that you can use to adjust the audio level and the input levels for your microphone and speakers. And for the audio level, there's an audio clip that's available here so you can adjust it to a comfortable level. If you are using a conference call, you can also set up your phone settings here, but first you have to enable the conference call in the settings. I will be covering how to do that later. Once your audio settings are correctly set, to turn on your microphone, you will click on the muted button. When it's on, you will see the green microphone here, and it will stay on until you click the on button to mute it once more. The same thing is available here for the video cameras. In this particular example, I do not have a video camera available. If I did, you would see the ability to select the video camera from this drop-down. Once it's selected, you can turn it on or off by clicking on the camera button. And remember that the camera will be on until you click to turn it off. The last button here is going to be the markup tools. I will be covering that in a later slide. The last thing to do would be to start the session, which is done by going over here to the right-hand side and clicking on Start. Participants will then get a message letting them know that their microphone has been taken away and that you can enable it at any time by clicking on their microphones over here. So as you can see, my student is seeing that the microphone button is now active. Once their microphone is active, they can click on the muted button as well, or they can press and hold the Control key. You can also take away their microphones by clicking on the microphone once again, and they will get a message letting them know that their microphone is inactive.